because I feel that that song was made in a very interesting circumstance
हाँ.
of complete lockdown. Like it was the peak lockdown last year in April. We made the song, and in May, with again a complete lockdown, we completely shot the music video within just one house. I think Bollywood has a certain sort of a sound and a certain type of songs
Hmm.
which sort of fits a certain category. पहले लड़कियां काली बिंदी लगाती थी, आपने जब से गाना निकाला सबको लाल बिंदी लगाने का शौक हो गया है. तो मैंने कहा वाओ, दैट वाज डैम स्वीट.
जैसे आपने कहा कि वायरल जिसके साथ आप काम करते आए हैं एंड 3 साल में दे हैव बीन वेरी इंस्ट्रूमेंटल वायरल ओरिजिनल्स जिनके लेबल
राइट.
के थ्रू आप अपना सारा म्यूजिक क्रिएट कर रहे हैं. लोग like not everybody's had good relationships with their labels. Sometimes things go sour. लेकिन आपके career में viral, what kind of role is it playing? Because obviously you are doing great with viral, है ना?
राइट.
And even the
राइट.
other artists that are with viral, they are doing great. So what is that thing जो आपके लिए काम करता है being associated with them?
Of course, I feel that my equation with them is very, very comfortable.
Hmm.
They, I think we understand each other well, is what I feel makes any
Hmm.
sort of collaboration and relation work. So and I have the complete freedom also creatively, whatever I want to create and whatever I want to put out. I think it's a very, I mean, they've been very nice in terms of letting me do what I really want to creatively. So I
Hmm.
think yeah, I think, and it's a big teamwork. My work is to completely give it to my craft and music, and then of course it's their part of the work to make sure that it reaches out well. So I think it's a great equation right now.
Right. Would you say that आपकी life में एक ऐसा part रहा है where you've really struggled and nothing has worked out?
Of course, I mean, when I moved to Bombay, I was a little sort of directionless, and also there wasn't any sort of a thing I was
Road.
busy in, like particularly. So there was this period of pitching the right people, and I was obviously polishing my art, and I'm still am. I mean, that doesn't stop ever. But there was this phase where I was like, what am I supposed to do? I was busy, like I was making music for ads, I was making music for like background scores, I was doing sort of like jingles and this kind of the work, because I initially started off professionally with like making jingles and making background music, and I was never into songs. And then of course, yeah, when once I started making songs, and I was like, now my love for making music is, I guess, is songs, so I want to put
Yeah.
those out, and that's how
Right.
it started off.
आपको जब इतने सारे कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स आते हैं मतलब अभी कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स की कोई कमी नहीं है, वाज देयर अ टाइम जब हार्श क्रिटिसिज्म भी आया एंड दैट सॉर्ट ऑफ लाइक हिट यू जो आज भी लाइक यू आर सॉर्ट ऑफ कैरिंग विद यू?
Criticism तो नहीं कहूँगा, I think a little sort of a rejection or ignorance, I think sometimes, because but मैं भी उसको भी I don't take it in a bad light. I think बहुत बार आप किसी को approach करते हो या किसी को, मतलब when I was trying to reach out to people, so बहुत बार ये होता है कि they would want to get back, but there isn't any sort of an opportunity really for them to get back. So that at that point of time you feel that yeah, why so, like, I mean, is it not good enough or what is it? But I think that's a part of it. I don't really उस टाइम पे बुरा लगता है, but when I see it back, I think अच्छा ही था शायद, maybe I learned something from it.
Right. Lucky Ali, one of the biggest musicians that we ever know of, उन्होंने recently इंटरव्यू में कहा था कि जो म्यूजिक बनाते हैं उनके लिए बॉलीवुड के लिए जगह नहीं है, क्योंकि असली म्यूजिक जो एक्चुअली एक आर्ट है उसके लिए जगह बहुत कम रह गई, स्पेशली नॉट इन बॉलीवुड. उसको सुनने वाले, उसको उसकी तारीफ करने वाले लोग नहीं बचे हैं. एंड बॉलीवुड इज अ प्लेस वेयर थिंग्स आर ऑल मॉडल्ड अप. कभी खुद ऐसी फीलिंग आती है दैट थिंग्स आर मॉडल्ड अप इन probably industry समझ में नहीं आती है?
I mean, immense respect for Lucky sir. I mean, I've been a big fan, but I think थोड़ा सा डिपेंड करता है किस तरीके का म्यूजिक. आई थिंक बॉलीवुड हैज अ सर्टेन सॉर्ट ऑफ अ sound and a certain type of songs which sort of fits a certain category. And but I don't think अब ऐसा है. पहले ये जरूर ऐसा था, because अब तो ऐसा हो रहा है कि so many non-film music songs are going into films and there isn't any sort of a barrier of
clear
this
cut
is
division.
not
Yeah,
that this cannot go in a film. I mean बहुत बार ऐसे होगा कि आप expect ही नहीं करोगे कि ऐसा गाना फिल्म में भी आ सकता है. So I
right.
think now the scene is completely different. There is no a sort of a filtration of this thing working or this thing not working.
Right. Talking about Farrar, the reason we are here talking about the new hot single release that you've done, थोड़ा सा glimpse दे दें for the audience जिन्होंने अभी तक गाना ना सुना हो. वैसे I don't think that's a possibility because where is the song not?
Exactly. So if you have not heard it yet, go on YouTube, Viral Originals YouTube channel, and go on the streaming apps and hear it. And here goes. सानू करके प्यार ओ मेरे यार भूल जावी ना, वादे करके हजार तू फरार हो जावी ना, सानू करके प्यार ओ मेरे यार भूल जावी ना, वादे करके हजार तू फरार हो जावी ना.
I mean, I feel it's unfair to ask, लेकिन हर किसी का एक favorite तो होता ही है. I mean, it's very hard to take out Lal Bindi from your mind, लेकिन बहाना for me is my ultimate favorite. जो मैं request जरूर करूँगी आपको गाने के लिए. लेकिन is there a song जो मतलब no matter what the numbers say is your favorite? You're very proud of yourself कि यार ये मैंने कमाल का गाना बनाया.
I mean, it's hard for me to select any one song, but definitely Bahana is one of my closest because I feel that that song was made in a very interesting circumstance of complete lockdown. Like it was the peak lockdown last year in April, we made the song, and in May, with again a complete lockdown, we completely shot the music video within just one house, and we had the female lead in Dubai, and she did her part there. And I felt really proud. I think we did something really like really cool in such a hard situation, and
Yeah.
the song also touched a lot of people. So I think that was something I feel that is a great like it's close to me.
तो हो जाए बिना किसी बहाने के. बहाना.
कोई करके बहाना सानू मिल माहिए साडा कल्ले आवे लगदा नी दिल माहिए ओ तेरी अखियां अखियां च डुबे हो गया है पूरा रसा गल्ला सच्चियां सच्चियां कहंदा आशिक तरसा तरसा कोई करके बहाना सानू मिल माहिए नी मैं कल्ले कल्ले करना नी चिल माहिए.
Woohoo! What a fabulous Ghana. But I mean, you are the reason, and your songs are the reason कि हम लोग को chill करने को मिलता है. लेकिन आपको enough chill करने को मिलता है, और is music composing a very lonely job?
I think no, music I feel making is a very collaborative and an enjoyable process, and it should be. I've had the times of making music all alone also, but I think it's a right balance of uh, composing yourself and also collaborating in the studio with bunch of musicians. And yeah, I think the making of music is a beautiful process, but I am on first like a very active listener of music. I've always been that since childhood, and my passion for listening to the music from the Walkman days to probably CDs, MP3 players, and it just kept evolving. So I'm a big listener of music, and I enjoy listening to music a lot as well, apart from making.
Yeah. Yeah. आपको it would be unfair अगर मैं कहूँ कि हमने जितनी भी बातें की उसमें अगर हम जाते जाते ये I mean we have to take this to the next level. So obviously I want to know if there was a compliment that outdid any other compliment that you received. क्योंकि अगर हम अभी भी फरार के बारे में बात करें, there are like so many compliments. People are going crazy कि भाई कौन सा गाना ज़्यादा hit होने वाला वाला है, आपको कौन सा ज्यादा पसंद है, but is there a compliment that has outdone itself and आप समाए नहीं समाते वो सोच के कि मुझे भी किसी ने
I
ये
think
कहा था?
अभी तो गाना जस्ट रिलीज हुआ ही है, so अभी तो
हाँ.
there are n number of like comments and
Right.
great feedback and people are loving it, but अभी
बट
as
किसी और
such
पुराने गाने के लिए भी, लाइक जब आपने करियर शुरू किया था, भले ही किसी भी और गाने के लिए कोई कॉम्प्लीमेंट आया, लेकिन किसी ऐसे इंसान से आया दैट यू वर लाइक हो गया काम?
I think something very recently happened for New Year's. I was in Shimla and we were on the mall road. And while walking, like a bunch of my friends were going a little aage and we were piche. So
हाँ.
suddenly my friend brings three girls and they had a small speaker and they were playing Lal Bindi. So he went up to them and said that आपको पता है ये गाने का सिंगर कौन है? तो उसने कहा कि like the girl said, yeah, Akul. कहता आओ मैं आपको मिलवाता हूँ. So he got them to me. We were just halka sa piche and they were playing loud, so loudly on the speaker that there were cops walking right beside and they were like धीरे करो धीरे करो. And then he's like, and that girl was so sweet. He's like कि पहले लड़कियां काली बिंदी लगाती थी, आपने जब से गाना निकाला सबको लाल बिंदी लगाने का शौक हो गया. So मैंने कहा wow, that was damn sweet. You never thought of that such moments. So I think that was something very very recent and very very cool.
Thank you so much, Akul, for joining. मेरा दिल तो नहीं भरता है, but I feel like it's only fair अगर हम जाते जाते दारू पी के नचने से हम खत्म करें, because that's how every party should end.
चलो
So
चलो
इस
done.
पार्टी को
तो
भी
I
इंस्टेंट
think
बॉलीवुड में हम वैसे ही खत्म करेंगे.
वीकेंड भी आ रहा है कल, तो
हाँ,
दारू पार्टी बनती है.
दारू पार्टी बनती है.
ढूंढ के लाओ जिसने दारू है बनाई, भोले भाले लड़के को आदत लगाई, कहना पड़ेगा क्या चीज बनाई, भुला दे सारे गम ये भुला दे तन्हाई. न करो दारू बैन न करो बदनाम, न करो दारू बैन न करो बदनाम, पैगू ते पैग आज नहीं रुकना, दारू पी के नचना, दारू पी के नचना, पैग होर पा पा पानी पैग होर पा पा पानी पैग होर पा.
Thank you so much, Akul, for joining us
Thank
on
you.
Instant Bollywood.
Thank you so
Farar
much.
is the song. This is the tune for this year. You go have a good time.
Thank you, Anjan.
Bye.